Hello everyone and welcome to a quick WordPress tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to delete revisions from WordPress. Revisions are very useful as small backups while you are working on your posts, but after that they only make sure that your database slowly fills up. So I would like to delete the revisions now. The problem, however, is that WordPress doesn't have any feature for that. Nevertheless, we have two options. The first option would be that we delete the revisions directly in the database. But this is dangerous because if you don't know anything about databases, you can quickly do a lot of damage, and I do not recommend this. It's much easier if we delete revisions via a plugin. There are several for this, and I use WP Optimize because it combines many functions in one tool. But before we work with the tool, you should make a backup of the page and especially of the database, because WP Optimize changes the database as well, and even if it's programmed for that, it can theoretically come to problems. Should you not know how to make a backup of the database, I will link a tutorial in the video description. Now here we have several options. If I only want to delete the revisions themselves, then I can do that on the right side via Run Optimization. I can also check the boxes for all functions that I want to run at the same time and then click on Run all selected optimizations. I now click here on the right side and see that 399 revisions have been deleted. We can also check this again in a post. So here we see 7 revisions, and when I refresh this site, we will see that these revisions are gone now. Now the revisions are deleted, there's no sections for them showing up here at all. That's all you need to know about deleting revisions in WordPress. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.